Welcome to Yeeflow Data List Tutorial Series. Today, we will explore how to add and configure lookup fields in the data list. Lookup fields allow you to associate different data lists together to form a relational database. This field is crucial for enhancing data organization and ensuring data consistency between different lists. First, open the data list page, and at the end of the list of fields, click the Add New Column button. A new field creation window will pop up on the right side. In the pop-up, click on the drop-down box for the field type. To link different data lists, you'll need to choose Lookup as the field type. Enter the field name in the Display Name text box. In the Display Style drop-down, select your preferred control type, either Data Picker or drop-down list. When there is a large amount of data in a lookup field, select the Data Picker style. This will bring up a pop-up window with all the display fields listed and checkboxes next to the display fields. For less data, use a drop-down menu style instead. Then, you won't see checkboxes before the fields in the Lookup item window. Then, select the data source for the field. Click on the drop-down box for the application, where you can choose the current application or other applications in your account. From the Data Source drop-down list, select the desired data list. In the Display Field drop-down, choose which field value will be displayed when a user selects an item. If you wish to use another field for the tooltip, select it from the Tooltip drop-down list. Here, we've added a lookup field linked to the inventory list data list under Products and Orders Management, using Name as the display field and the ID field as the tooltip. Click Save, and let's add a new item to see the effect. Click the Add New Item button, click the Lookup field, and a pop-up window will appear listing the linked name field. After making your selection, fill in the other relevant information and click OK to view the new item. In the Data Picker pop-up, you can view multiple fields of the linked data list, helping you quickly find the item you need to link to. You can select multiple fields in the settings of the lookup fields. For instance, when you choose the name in the lookup field to ensure an exact match, you might need to refer to the size and in-stock fields data, which requires you to set up the lookup. Open the settings window for the lookup field, find the Additional Fields option, and click the Settings button. In the pop-up window that appears, display the current fields of the data source list. When the lookup field's display style is set to default or data picker, there's a checkbox next to each field. Check the box for the fields you want to display in the data picker's pop-up window. Click the sorting drop-down box to customize the display order of these fields. Under Primary Order and Secondary Order, select the fields to be sorted, and the sort order can also be set to ascending or descending. Click Save, and let's add a new item. Click the Lookup field. In the pop-up, compared to before the lookup was set, the list also shows the size and in-stock fields and their data, facilitating the precise matching of the needed item. Users can also search for data in the pop-up search box using keywords. At the same time, lookup fields also allow you to bring in other field values from the linked data source list and save them to the extended fields of the current data list. For instance, choosing a product name will bring in its size and type into the respective fields in your current list. First, create size and type fields in the data list to associate with the fields in the data source list. Then, open the Settings window for the Lookup field and click the Settings button for additional fields. In the pop-up, check the boxes for the data source list fields you wish to synchronize and click the Associated Fields drop-down box to link the corresponding fields in the current list. In this way, when a user selects a product name, the values of size and type will be automatically synchronized to the data list. After the setup is complete, click the Save button. When we add a new item, you can see that by choosing product name in the lookup, the values of the associated fields are automatically written to the corresponding fields in the current data list. Finally, let's go over other settings for the lookup field. Open the Settings window. Consider whether this field should be unique. If so, turn on the Unique Value button. Otherwise, turn it off. You can also add a custom placeholder in the provided space if necessary. Choose whether this field will allow multiple values by toggling the multiple option on or off. Click the Filter Conditions button to establish filter conditions for the data, enhancing the data's accuracy. If the field is required, turn on the Required Item button. The lookup fields in the data list not only improve the efficiency of using the data list, but also ensure the consistency of data between different lists. If you would like to learn more tutorials about Yeeflow, please continue to follow our channel. Thank you for watching.